Still week 1 of my Wake and Bake series, and let me tell you, one thing I will never be too good for is bully beef, aka canned corned beef, and I promise this shakshuka is the best way to eat it that you haven't tried yet. Add oil to an oven-safe frying pan over medium-high heat, then add a mixture of onions and bell peppers and saute until they're beginning to soften. Tell me why I forgot my scallions, but there they are. You want to saute them with the onions and bell peppers. Then you add minced garlic and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, very optional. Add a diced plum tomato, stir and let all that cook down until the tomatoes are soft. Make a well in the veggies and add your canned corned beef, break it apart, mash it, and mix it until it softens and blends with the veggies. If you're not used to the look or canned meat weirds you out, I hear you, but you're missing out. This is a staple of my Jamaican household. You just gotta see the vision. Add a bunch of ketchup, black pepper, and paprika. I don't add salt because corned beef is already kind of salty to me. Give it another stir, then cover it and let it simmer. Uncover, then make small wells in the corned beef and crack in your eggs. Bake the shakshuka uncovered at 375 about 7 minutes for runny yolks and 12 minutes for hard yolks. Serve hot with bread, boiled or fried dumplings, rice. It's your world, squirrel. Full recipe on yardigalcuisine.com.